Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I am going to show you cleaning the air cleaner elements and doing oil changes on my 1989 CR80 and my 1989 CR125 dirt bikes. The air cleaner removes dust and abrasive particles from the air before the air enters the carburetor and engine. Without the air cleaner, very fine particles could enter into the engine and cause rapid wear of the piston rings, cylinder, and bearings. Small passages in the carburetor could become clogged. Never run the bike without the air cleaner element installed. Clean the elements gently in cleaning solvent until all dirt is removed. Thoroughly dry each element in a clean shop cloth until all solvent residue is removed. Let it dry for about 1 hour. Clean out the interior of the airboxes. Proper air cleaner servicing can do more to ensure long service from your engine than almost any other single item. Service the air cleaner element before every race. Spray foam air filter oil onto the air cleaner elements and work it into the porous foam material. Do not oversaturate the element, as too much oil will restrict airflow. The element will be discolored by the oil and should have an even color, indicating the oil is distributed evenly. If foam air filter oil was used, let the element dry for about 1 hour before installation. If installed too soon, the chemical carrier in the foam oil will be drawn into the engine and may cause damage. Apply a light coat of multi-purpose grease to the sealing surface of the element. On CR80 models, install the air cleaner so the up mark on the element faces up. On CR125 models, install the air cleaner so the element tab aligns with the triangle mark on the airbox. If at any time your air filter becomes torn or broken in any area, it should be replaced. Do not run with a damaged element, as it may allow dirt to enter the engine. Regular oil changes will contribute greatly to transmission and clutch longevity. You should change the oil approximately every 3 races. Start the engines and allow them to reach operating temperature, approximately 3 minutes. Shut the engine off and place a drain pad under the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and washer. Have your gloves and drain pan ready. Changing your oil after every 3 races assumes that the bike is operated in moderate climates. If it is operated under dusty or racing conditions, the oil will get dirty more quickly and should be changed more frequently than recommended. Remove the oil filler cap. This will speed up the flow of oil. Let the oil drain for at least 15 to 20 minutes. An optional step is to run some clean oil through while the drain plug is still removed. Reinstall the drain plug and washer and tighten securely. And down it goes. Gravity is clearly a fan of my work. Please be careful not to tip the bike over onto yourself. Insert a funnel into the oil fill hole and fill the transmission and clutch portion of the crankcase with the correct viscosity and quantity of oil. Changing oil is the bike's version of a spa day, except with more mess and less relaxation. So if you like watching me get greasy and keep my bikes happy, hit subscribe. More oil, tools, and chaos coming your way. Clean and reinstall the oil filler cap and tighten securely. Do not, and I repeat, do not damage the threads on these hard plastic filler caps, or you will sorely regret it. Measure twice and fill once. That's what I always said. Start the engine, let them run, and check for leaks. Unscrew the oil level check bolt, located on the right-hand crankcase cover just in front of the brake lever. A small amount of oil should run out. The bike must be level for correct reading. If oil does run out, reinstall the oil level check bolt. If oil does not run out, the oil level is low. Remove the oil filler cap and add engine oil until oil starts to run out of the oil level check bolt hole. How many times in one video can I say oil level check bolt? It's amazing how such a small bolt can hold so much responsibility and so much oil if I drop it. With great power comes great responsibility. And that's it. Fresh oil, happy bike, and slightly greasier hands. See you in the next one.